So this is how you can crop a screenshot on a MacBook. Let's get into it. So there are more ways how you can do this, so I'm going to cover the most useful ones. So at first, if you capture your entire screen by pressing the Command Shift and 3, then you're going to notice that the entirety of the page of everything you can see is going to be captured and saved somewhere. So you need to locate that file. For me, it is on the desktop, and if I locate it, I have the ability to select it. And if I select it, I can then press the spacebar on my keyboard and the preview is going to pop up, which then allows me to press the edit button right above it. And from the new editing options and tools which are going to appear, I can click on the cropping tool and then essentially just crop it as much as I like, right? So after I'm done, I can just click on done and I'm happy with the newly cropped screenshot. But to be honest, there is an even simpler method which skips these steps entirely. Because instead of using the Command Shift 3 shortcut, I'm going to use Command Shift 4, which basically means that I don't take the screenshot right away, but after pressing these, like this combination, I get to select only the part of the image which I want to capture. So I'm not capturing the entire image or the entire screen and then cropping it later. I simply just skip this step and I can just crop it directly from the screen. So in my opinion, it is much more useful as it just saves some time right there, and I get to pick and select the specific part of the screen which I want to capture. So I think it's really useful that way. So this is like another approach on how you can cut and like crop screenshots on Mac. So let me know below in the comments which option you want to go with or which one is the one you prefer. If you manage to get it to work, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to this channel so you never miss videos like this one, and I'll see you in the future.